In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Binance. We're moving funds from one exchange to another, and the most important things to keep in mind are matching the exact cryptocurrency, selecting the correct network, and using the precise deposit address from Binance. A mismatch can cause delays or even permanent loss of funds, so take your time with each field. Start by opening Bybit and signing into your account. From the main dashboard, head to the Assets section. This is where you can see your balances and manage transfers. Inside Assets, choose Withdraw. You'll be prompted to pick the coin you want to send. Make sure this is the same cryptocurrency you intend to receive on Binance. Next, select the network. This must be identical to the network you chose on Binance for that coin's deposit. For example, USDT might offer ERC20, TRC20, or other networks. Fees and speeds vary, so choose what you already set on Binance. If the networks don't match on both sides, the transfer may fail or get lost, so double check here. Now paste the wallet address you previously copied from Binance into the withdrawal address field on Bybit. Take a moment to verify the first and last few characters of the address and confirm it matches the network you selected. Some assets like XRP, XLM, or BNB require an additional memo, tag, or destination ID. If your Binance deposit page shows one, be sure to include it exactly as displayed. Leaving it out can result in the funds not arriving correctly. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind the minimum withdrawal amount and the network fee that will be deducted. Bybit typically shows this right below the amount field. If you're moving a large balance, consider sending a small test amount first to confirm everything works as expected. When you're satisfied, click Withdraw. You'll be prompted to verify and confirm the transaction. Complete any required security checks, such as two-factor authentication or email codes. Before you finalize, review the coin, network, address, and amount one more time. Once confirmed, the withdrawal will be submitted to the blockchain. You can track progress in your Bybit withdrawal history, and you may see a transaction ID you can paste into a blockchain explorer. Deposit times can vary by network congestion. When the transaction confirms, the funds should appear in your Binance deposit history and then in your available balance. That's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Bybit to Binance.